Today we are breaking down that front rack mobility so that your wrists don't kill you when you're doing front squats and clean. Let's roll that sweet intro. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Square Fitness, and this is a YouTube channel that helps you get stronger, faster, and improve performance. So if you're new around here and you've been missing out on all this sweet content, be sure to smash that subscribe button and like this video. So we're talking about how to get into a proper front squat position, or rather what 3 stretches that you can do. So I encourage you, before you watch this video, to test your front rack and then do these 3 stretches and then test it again to see how it feels. Here's what you need. Get you a mini band. This is gonna help to get a massive stretch in your upper back. External rotation means we're trying to get out, right? So we're gonna get this PVC pipe and we're going to get out and really get wide in our elbows. Lats are one of the biggest restrictors in order to get into a proper front rack. It's probably not as much of your wrist as you think. So if we can free up your lats and get into this external position, I bet you'll be a lot better. So first thing I want you to think about is getting super wide in the elbows. I'm gonna go out and out. And then I'm gonna, my tailbone, I'm gonna tuck it under, walk my legs back, and I'm gonna breathe. I'm gonna take an inhale. Exhale, I'm gonna drive my chest down. Massive, massive stretch in my lats. From right here, I'm gonna stay in this position. Take a new breath, take an inhale. Exhale, I'm gonna push down further, start to tuck my head, keeping my pelvis tucked. I'll finish in this position, and what do? I take an inhale, exhale, and I repeat that process. Massive stretch in your lats. Remember, the key is to get that external position, elbows wide, work on your breath, and drive your chest down. That's numero uno. As you're watching this video, just so I don't forget, I wanted to do a little plug here. I got a free 3-day mobility workshop. If you head over to ksquarefitness.com or down in the description below, I'll put a link to it. I go through squat mobility, overhead mobility. If you want to get better at mobility so you can improve performance, be sure to check that out. Numero 2, we're gonna get this same PVC pipe. We worked on freeing up the lat so I can get into this big position here. Now we're gonna work on external rotation. Hand is gonna go inside the PVC pipe. I'm gonna get here. I'm gonna tuck my core, get into a good position. I'm gonna use this bottom hand to really crank on that. I'm trying to get a little bit of business up, maybe 5 seconds where I'm coming up. Take an inhale. When you're doing mobility work, always use your breath as your own coach. So I'm gonna take an inhale. Exhale, I'm gonna pull on this bottom hand down here, and I'm gonna take my arm up. Massive, massive stretch there. So notice, we're not spending a lot of time on our wrist. We're spending time on getting this lat to free up. So if we can get the lat to free up, we can get into that better shelf position. If you're still having issues with your wrist after doing these drills, leave it down in the comments below. I'll take a look. Last one, big time lat stretch. We're gonna take this band on the pull-up bar, take my hand through it, I'm gonna snag it, and then I'm gonna get into, this is internal, I'm gonna get into external rotation again. I'm gonna walk out, get a massive amount of tension on this band so I can get this lat to get stretched. And then I'm gonna drop this knee down. Huge stretch all through here. Here's the trick. This hand is down. I'm gonna take the hand up, and then I'm just gonna add in with my opposite elbow a little bit of rotation. Take an exhale, drop the hand into internal rotation, get the big stretch. Take another inhale and exhale. Palm is coming up. I'm rotating here. Massive stretch all through the lats. With all of these stretches, if you focus on your breath and your breathing, and you get about 2 minutes worth, you do those stretches, that's 6 minutes of work. You come back, you get on that front rack position, I bet you're gonna have a lot better positioning. I'd love to hear about it. Put it down in the comments below if you tried these stretches and then your front rack mobility improved. Tag me in it. I wanna see it, ksquarefitness.com. Like I said, if you wanna get better at mobility work specifically, I've got 3 free videos, 15-minute sessions where I guide you through everything together. You can be a part of it. Click the link down below. Smash that subscribe button. Keep training hard. I'll see you in the next one.